Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss on characteristic of algae. Next, what is algae? Algae are aquatic plant. They can be present in a marine or fresh water. All algae are present in kingdom Protista. The study of algae is known as a phycology. Algae are simple unicellular non-jacked sex organ and have no embryo development. Algae live in water attached to rocks for free floating, use sunlight for photosynthesis. They are mainly food producers in the ocean and they are the important source of supply of oxygen. Next, there are five types of algae. The five algal phyla are Bacillariophyta called as diatoms, Chlorophyta called as green algae, Cyanophyta called as blue-green algae, Chrysophyta called as yellow-green algae, and Rhodophyta called as a red algae. What is the general structure of algae? Algae are thallic, means haploid. Four types of algae: unicellular, colonial, filamentous, and multicellular. So this is the picture of algal morphology. Next, unicells, single cells, motile with flagellated like Chlamydomonas and Euglena or non-motile. Second, colonies assemblage of individual cells with variable or constant number of cells that remain constant throughout the colony life in mucilaginous matrix containing an extracellular matrix made up of gelatinous glycoprotein. These colonies may be motile like Volvox and Pandorina or non-motile like Scadomys and Pediastrum. Filamentous algae, example is Cladophora. Daughter cells remain attached after cell division and form a cell chain. Adjacent cells share cell wall, may be unbranched, such as Zygnema and Ulithrix, or branched, such as Cladophora. Next, what are the body parts of algae? Blade, that is front, stripe, and whole flask. Next, classification of algae, in which we have to study color, types of storage, product, thallus, size and structure, and reproduction. Reproduction of algae. There is two ways of reproduction in algae. First is sexual reproduction, and second one is asexual reproduction. In sexual reproduction, gamete unite to form a zygote, that is sperm and eggs will unite. Most sexual reproduction is triggered by environmental stress. Sexual reproduction causes by meiosis, zoospores, plus and minus gametes, and zygospores. In case of asexual reproduction, no gametes, there is no union of cells, mitosis. Here mitosis occurs. Unicellular cell may divide into two new cells. In case of, what are the types of asexual reproduction in algae? Fragmentation, spores, and binary fission. So this is the diagram of formation of algal cell by meiosis. Next one is Spirogyra, reproduce sexually by conjugation method. What are the general characteristics of algae? Range in size from microscopic to a single cell organism to a large seaweed. They are autotrophic. Next one is form the reproductive structure, for example gametangia or gamete chambers. Next one is aquatic and have flagella at some point in life. Next is often contain pyrenoids, organelles that synthesis and stores the starch. Some algal division can also be classified as bacteria, protozoa, but most are classified as protista. Only green algae are true plants in the evolutionary sense. These are the primitive plants. No two roots they have, only attached structure, that is hold fast. Produce spores, non-seeds, means they not produce any type of seeds. They are motile or non-motile. Next one, they have most sexual and asexual reproduction. These are non-vascular, do not possess an internal transport system. Economic importance of algae, biofuel production from algae. Why? What are the types of algae which produces biofuel? First one is Botiococcus brownie, converts 60% of its biomass into oil. 86% of it is long chain hydrocarbons. Drops to only 31% oil under stress. Grows best between 22 to 25 degrees Celsius, that is 71 to 77 Fahrenheit. Future, what are the future aspects? More research and development is required to produce more biofuel from algae. Further, private and government investment required to increase the rate of production. Clearer regulatory and statutory guidelines for algal business. Agar. It is dried jelly-like, non-nitrogenous. It is used as a base of different base of culture media in laboratory for culturing microorganism. Its food value and ability to afford good range of temperature for culturing. Next one is alginates. The alginates are used in rubber tire industry, paints, ice creams, and in presentation of flame-proof fabrics and plastic particles. Carry Guinin, it is a carbohydrate mucilage algal extract from red algae used as clearing agent in beer preparation, in preparation of toothpaste, cosmetic paints, and in pharmaceutical industries. Iodine, the member of brown algae such as luminaria and focus yield iodine. Diatomite, it is a cell wall of material called as diatomic algae. It is variously such as food for many aquatic animals, used in filtration process in sugar refining and brewing industry. Sources of food, more than 100 species belong to green, brown, red algae are used as food for humans because presence of proteins, carbohydrate, minerals and vitamins are there. In preparation of antibiotic and medicines, some algae yield antibiotics. For example, chlorelin is obtained from green alga chlorella that inhibits the growth of certain bacteria. Brown algae is used in the manufacture of various goiter medicines. Treatment of malaria. It is not included in your syllabus, so we will not discuss more on that. Next one is harmful aspect of algae. These are water blooms, death of living organism, and disease in human being, parasitic activities. Okay, here we are going to finish this basic characteristic of algae. In next lecture we will study the systematic diagram of the algae.